Autumn has arrived, and it's time to prepare the cellar or basement for storing vegetables and fruits. If we don't sanitize these surfaces, our vegetables and fruits will rot by New Year. Here on the walls and ceiling you can see a thin layer of mold. The walls can be washed because they are tiled, so it's not a problem. However, the ceiling won't wash clean, so it needs to be whitewashed. The cheapest and most effective way to treat the ceiling walls is with regular lime. It comes in slaked and unslaked forms. If the lime is unslaked, it needs to be slaked within a day. If the lime is slaked, like the type I have, it can be used after 1 hour. Before applying it to the walls, it needs to be prepared. I will explain how to do this now. We will need slaked lime, regular water, preferably warm, as it will be more effective, a container made of stainless steel, plastic or aluminum, a measuring container, and a brush for applying the whitewash to the walls. The proportion of slaked lime to water is 1:1. Therefore, using a dry measuring cup, we take a clean container, lime, and measure the necessary amount of lime into the container according to the proportion. 1:1 I have 4 cups, and we just pour water over it. Mix well until a homogeneous milk-like mixture is obtained. After that, we let the solution sit for an hour, and then it can be applied to the walls. After this, it is necessary to prepare the walls for the application of the Limewash. For this, I will use an old stiff spatula and a metal brush. We need to remove the old Limewash that remains on the walls, and if there are any places where the old putty or plaster is peeling off, because fungi can accumulate there. We mix the milk well because it separates, and we start applying it. I will apply 2 layers, perpendicular to each other. First horizontally, then vertically. After the first layer dries, we apply the second one perpendicular to the first. This is how the white walls turned out, completely free of mold. And here our potatoes and other vegetables will be well preserved. After this, we just need to wait a little for the walls to dry completely, and then we can load vegetables and grains here. And here, besides the beautiful white color, it kills all bacteria and slightly dries the cellar because it can absorb moisture.